Opus Radio.
Vivek versus Vivek.
Flip side to every side.
My Opus Radio.
Mr. Jaishankar?
Yes,
Mr. Whom are you texting on the phone?
my Mrs. Savita.
She has a mobile phone as well?
Yes,
Wow. Okay, that's very forward. What were you saying? Were you talking about the show? Were you telling her how good the experience is being on the show? And
she is telling me to mention
yes,
she will also be singing a song in the karaoke croaking at Opus.
wonderful. That's great news. Are you going to be singing as well? Will you all do a duet? That'll be so nice.
We will not do a duet, but I will sing a song if there is time.
If there is time. What do you mean? Oh, you want all your students to sing first, obviously.
Yes,
Right. Who do you think will be the student to excel? Other than your son, of course. I mean, automatically he's the favorite, but other than that.
in my class there are 18 students and each one will excel. In my school, daily we teach them guitar and poetry reading.
Poetry reading? Poetry reading? Oh, how do you teach them poetry reading?
Daily we teach them one poem every day.
Wow, that's some kind of an education. That's great. Do you recall a poem offhand that you would want to recite?
Yesterday we taught them Savita, my Mrs. Savita's poem.
Okay, Mr. Jaishankar, I think we'll take a break. You need to collect your thoughts a little. So we'll take a break and come right back. In the meanwhile, there's more songs coming up.
My Opus Radio.
So we're here in the studio with Mr. Jaishankar, and we are going to be privileged enough to listen to the poem that he and his Mrs. Savita Bhavi have been teaching their children at school. So, Mr. Jaishankar, the mic is all yours. Fire away.
Thank you. The trees swayed in the breeze as the children played in the trees.
Yes. That seems to be it. I thought he was taking a longer pause than usual, but no, he's done. He's meditating now. So we leave him to that, ladies and gentlemen. The trees swayed in the breeze, and while the children played in the trees. I mean, where else would they play? So stay tuned for more of Mr. Jaishankar. We'll ask him about what he thinks of the prizes at the Croaking Season 4 in just a bit.
My Opus Radio.
The trees swayed in the breeze and the children played in the trees. That is the poem that Mr. and Mrs. Jaishankar teach the children in their school.
Yes,
Yes, thank you. So, Mr. Jaishankar, coming back to Opus and the karaoke, nights that you're planning to take your school children for, do you know anything about the prizes that they're giving out there?
in the croaking season 4 there are very good prizes.
Okay.
We
Oh, right.
hope
Sorry.
to win first place.
And what if you don't? What if your children don't win anything and they go back crying? What are you going to do? What is your reaction going to be? Are you going to cry?
We will come back next year and participate in croaking season 5.
That's the spirit, Mr. Jaishankar. Well done. And you're not going to be upset at all.
No,
And what about Mrs. Savita Bhavi?
no,
She won't be upset either?
no.
You're such strong individuals.
Yes.
What about, do you have any advice for the singers who go out there?
Enjoy yourself and sing loudly and spread the word
Yes,
of
of peace and harmony. Thank you. Okay.
peace and harmony.
Right. Wonderful stuff. Thank you so much for being with us on the show, Mr. Jayashankar. It's been a pleasure having you around, as always.
Thank you.
Just stay on for just another 5 minutes. We'll take a small break and then I'll read out an email from a reader who had something to say about you. He heard you on the last show. So stay tuned for that little bit of feedback from a Mr. Naveen N. Swami. And we'll see what Mr. Jayashankar has to say about that.
My Opus Radio.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Last couple of songs at Vivek vs. Vivek on myopusradio.com. And as promised, I'm going to read out a small email that Naveen N. Swami sent us with regard to what he thinks of Mr. Jayashankar. Naveen, firstly, I'd like to say thanks a ton for the feedback. And it's great that you're listening. And it's even better that we get feedback from someone who's as genuine a listener as you. And that's honest to God. Yeah, that's not Vivek vs. Vivek. That's just Vivek. So I'm still going to ask Mr. Jayashankar what he has to say in his defense. So I'm going to read out your email, Naveen. And he says that it is quite silly and absolutely lacks the comic relief that I'm assuming you're trying to portray. I've heard similar stereotypical parodies across various media platforms, and I must say Jayashankar is definitely in the bottom rung. Mr. Jayashankar, so there you have it. You've been called silly, you've been called comic relief, and you've been stereotyped into a bottom rung. What would you say to that?
Myself, Jay Shankar, actually, I will teach in my school. Coming here on radio, on internet is hobby, so I will impart my knowledge of peace and harmony to the listeners.
I'm not sure that answers his question. But okay, we'll take that. So Naveen, there you have it. There's your answer. He's here to impart his knowledge of peace and harmony across the internet, much like Ben Hinn, the guy who came, the God man who came down a while ago. Yeah, I think that was his name. Performed at Jakkur Airfield. Anyway, so that's Mr. Jayashankar for you, Naveen, and also for everyone else. Naveen goes on to say that having said all this, I must add that my Opus Radio and Opus are a couple of my favorite things in Bangalore, and that he is spreading the word as much as he can. Thank you so much, Naveen. Thank you very much. I know Mr. Jayashankar hasn't answered your question. I think I will in just a bit. So everyone else, I hope you've had a good time. Stay tuned for the last couple of songs, and then of course another show of Vivek vs. Vivek on this brand new channel of mine. Thank you, Mr. Jayashankar.
Thank you, Vivek.
We will see you at Opus on Wednesday.
As always, it has been a pleasure to participate in Vivek vs. Vivek on myopusradio.com. Thank you.
Never quite heard it pronounced that way. Maybe I'll try it again as one of my accents. Right, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Good night, toodles.
My Opus Radio.